Vlogmas. Yes, Vlogmas. You heard me. There are ways you can strategically, place Vlogmas into your niche. No matter the niche you're bringing on YouTube, there are ways you can strategically incorporate Vlogmas into your content. Guys, if you have not jumped on Vlogmas challenge, Vlogmas, this is a Vlogmas season, if you have not jumped on this trend, you might be losing out. I mean, this is the right time to start YouTube. Why? Because a lot of people are going to be on, vacation. A lot of people are going to be laid off from work for holiday season. They are going to be less busy and spending more time on their phones. So do you know what you are going to do now? Please try and create a YouTube channel. Now is the best time to create that channel because you are going to blow up so fast. You are going to definitely blow up so fast using the Vlogmas hashtag Vlogmas as the new trend, the new trending thing right now. And someone will say, why should I bother myself with Vlogmas? I mean, I'm not a vlogger. You don't need to be a vlogger for you to do what? For you to vlog. You have to strategically do what? Place vlogging into your content, no matter your niche, all right? I am doing the tips and tutorial how to unstyle. I'm in the teaching niche, okay? So I'm talking about Vlogmas. I'm incorporating it into my content. Yeah. So imagine you as a vlogger, as a blogger, as a full-time vlogger. What are you waiting for to jump into this trend? Okay, if you don't know the vlog ideas or Vlogmas ideas, I'm going to be giving you few ideas. You can still do your research, but I'm going to give you the simplest ways or the simplest ideas for you to start your Vlogmas immediately. It's not too late, please. It's not too late. So before we jump into the Vlogmas ideas, there is something I want you to, take note of. For you to be successful with Vlogmas, there are things you have to do, all right? There are things you have to do. If not, your Vlogmas will be boring. People won't even be, it will not be engaging, it will not be interesting. Number one on my list is for you to be what? Refreshing, guys. I cannot overemphasize on being refreshing. Why are you vlogging and telling us about your day, telling us on the things you want to do, your plans for the Christmas, throughout the season, and you are burning? You are burning, like your face is like this. Really? People don't want to, that bad energy, that vibe. People don't want it. This season is a season of laughter, joy, happiness, jubilation. Please try as much as possible to be refreshing. Smile, bring out the humor, the goofiness in you. Just be refreshing. Let people see you and be like, yeah, I can relate to her. Okay. So the second thing on our list is you must be entertaining. Yes, you have to be entertaining. If you know those things that you have been hiding under your carpet, all those interesting parts of your life, it's time to bring them out, okay? Yeah, bring out the one that you feel comfortable with, all right? Don't overdo it, all right? Just, put out something, and when you're putting out that thing, be entertaining, all right? Make sure that your vlog is very entertaining, that we wouldn't want to click out. We wouldn't want to, scroll. We just want to keep on watching you talk and talk and talk. Bring out your talkative part, all right? Bring out your talkative spirit. The third one is you should be a storyteller. For you to be able to succeed with Vlogmas, you have to know how to tell stories. I mean, vlogging is more or less like, talking a whole lot. Then you are not talking. You're not telling us story. Be descriptive, describe everything. Even if we are seeing it with our eyes, it's there, it's on the camera. You know what I'm talking about. Just bring a lot of entertainment to your vlog, and trust me, you'll be accumulating a lot of views that you wouldn't even know when you complete your 4,000 watch hours. This is going to take me to the Vlogmas idea. The first on our list is games. So if you know those games you love playing a lot, if you know those games, whether it's a virtual game or, any type of game, just start gathering them, all right? Because you are going to be doing a lot of content, shooting a lot of content based on that, all right? You have to put us through. Let us watch with you. Let us feel, let it just be like we are there with you. It's not just virtual games. You can do an outdoor games where you and your children or you and your friends are just playing, and there could be a prize to win, and let it be engaging. If someone wins, the person has something to go home with, and all those stuff. You can get like a bouncing ball and be like, anybody that does not bounce to 100, the person is automatically out. And guess what, everybody wants to bounce on that ball. They are going to try as much as possible to bounce up to 100, which that the bouncing ball, it looks simple, but it's not as simple as it is. By the time you bounce, steadily, you might even fall off. So it's just an idea. The second idea on my list is social gathering. Yeah, you need to be recording that, okay? You need to put that into what? Documentation. Document it, guys. This is Vlogmas, baby. Document that thing. Document that outing. Document it, all right? So after documenting it, you can now work on it. If there are sounds that are not necessary at the background, you take it out. There are music that are not YouTube recommended, you take it out and add another music. Just make it interesting. And when you are vlogging, be careful as well, so you don't you don't showcase things that YouTube will frown at. So just be mindful, read the YouTube guidelines when you're doing your vlogmas, so you don't just overdo it, all right, and put yourself in trouble. The third one on our list is, if you're in the cooking niche, this is your time. We want to see all those things you have up on your sleeve. Bring out all those recipes. Yes, we want to see new recipes. For me, I am a young mother. I am a young wife. Okay, so I want to see fresh recipes that I'm going to cook for my Oga. You understand what I'm saying? So bring out those recipes, Christmas inspired recipes that that your family can enjoy, your friends can enjoy. Just bring it out, record when you're making these dishes, and put it out for us every day. Do you know what Vlogmas is? You are here to show us what is going on in your life in preparation for the season every single day. Yeah. And the next on our list is what? Decoration. All right, you are the type that love decorating, you love crafts, all right, so please, you love natural things, you're a porter, start giving us, start putting it back to back. Make sure whatever you're doing, you're using Team Vlogmas, Team Christmas season. This is the season. Jump on this trend, okay? So put it out, show us how you're decorating your room, how you're decorating your Christmas tree, how your kids are feeling, count down to the Christmas day, how their reactions are, when you go to shop, how they felt, how the shopping environment looks, the decorations around the shopping environment. Just let us feel like we are with you, okay? Let us feel like we are with you. We want to feel Christmas from you, not just from our own end, but want to feel Christmas from your own location, from your own side. How does it look like? How is Christmas preparation in this particular environment, in this particular city, in this particular country, in this particular jurisdiction? How are they celebrating their Christmas, and how are they preparing for Christmas? Another thing I have to say is, even if you are in any niche at all, whatever niche you're bringing on YouTube, please, your shorts, YouTube shorts, that place that is meant for your shorts video, you can use that place and start putting out your Vlogmas content. If you feel like you don't want it to be on your long form videos, then make use of your shorts. It's going to go viral. Trust me, it's going to be mind-blowing. People want to see, people want to watch. People are searching for Vlogmas, anything related to Vlogmas. As of yesterday, I searched for it, and guess what? I was seeing tons, even way back 3 years ago, Vlogmas of 3 years ago and 4 years ago. Oh my God. I felt so happy. I felt like we already celebrating Christmas. I mean, we're already celebrating Christmas. Yeah. So I'm not going to wait to 25 so for me to know that I'm celebrating Christmas. My Christmas has started immediately we entered December 1. So that's my Christmas. And I'm going to be feeling this way. I'm going to be feeling all happy, all I'm just being goofy. This is what I'm talking about. Be interesting, be entertaining, be, Be yourself. Okay, less is more. Don't be too serious. It's Vlogmas, baby. Okay, don't be too serious. Give it to us back to back, and guess what? You'll be having a whole lot of subscribers, a whole lot of viewers. You know, even on your live stream, people want to see you, people want to watch you, people want to follow you and see how you're doing and how you people are preparing for the big day. All right, that will be all for now. But listen, it's Vlogmas, baby. Put out that content, and I'll be seeing you on next one. Where I'll be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral. I love you.
Yeah, yeah.